You hear that kind of normal. Now it's starting to make sound. See that? It's hitting pretty good. Starting to sound like popcorn. See that? I didn't touch anything, I'm just sitting here. Back up. Goes forward, not a problem. Back up. 170 degrees, 460.4. My video here is getting to be about 18 minutes. So I'm sitting at 1500 RPM, 167 degrees. I've got a grapple on the front, just a straight blade on the back. It's all off the ground. I'm going to back up here. This is full lock. I'm going to go back that far, call it half a turn. Tires are not even close to full lock. Hear that hammering? It's not there now. Do it again. You'll hear it in the background. And it's honestly not that loud right now. 1500, you hear it? Everything seems to get louder with more of a load. That's my TYM bucket. Obviously there's nothing in it, but I'm going to do the same thing, same turn. You can kind of faintly hear it in the background. Perfectly normal sound. Reverse. Sounds like a hammer. Turn up the RPM. Now we're at, call it 1800. Forward. Perfect. Not a problem. That ain't normal. I mean, you can hear that hammering. Forward, perfectly normal, not a problem. Go back again. I'm not even moving. My feet aren't even on the pedal. You can hear that, it's like drrrr. I'm going to touch the forward. Notice the sound difference. So, hope that's enough to kind of show you. Hear that? That is normal. I mean, I'm in my garage. I'm not like flying around. That ain't normal. Hear that sound? Damn it. It's like a toop, 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 toop. It's a faint sound that you'll hear. Hear it? See the hood? I'm not touching a thing. It's kind of starting to freak out. Didn't touch a thing, have my feet, my hands on utterly nothing. Sitting here idling at 900 RPM. I'm not even on the machine. See that kind of freaking out and sputtering? Shaking again. Again. Get the tires are shaking, like the gas tank. I mean, everything is just freaking out and going nuts. I'm not even on the machine. So that ain't normal, guys. Sitting here, I mean, I'm at 167, 460.6. I mean, it's crazy shaking here, not touching a thing. So you can kind of hear that thump, thump, down low. That hood kind of bam, bam. I mean, I would hope you can see that or hear that. The whole damn thing is shaking. It's sporadic, it's not constant, but it's definitely happening. All my fluids are perfectly fine. All my fluids have always been fine. I've recorded every service I've done to this thing and put it on YouTube. I mean, my last one was 40 hours ago, and this problem just started about maybe 10 hours ago. So everything was normal through there. So you can see that, how that's hit. I'm not gonna let it sit here and self-destruct, but now I'm backing up. It's